So here is a quick Freedcamp tutorial for beginners. Let's cover the basics. So once you're logged in, of course I'm not still logged in. We just need to say, let's say our project name is AA, then add email, which is, let's just say this one, my other email account. Then we should head on to homepage. After that is that once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard, which is right here. So let's say, for instance, this is your dashboard, which you're looking to right now. With all the active projects, you just need to click on create or add task, which you can see right here. With this is that you can create a new one, add a name, team, and category. See? And that we also have calendars and milestones. It is to view all upcoming tasks, which is right here, or um, switch to milestone to set major goals and due dates. We also have files and collaboration, which which you can upload files, leave comments, and tag teammates right inside to keep everything organized and collaborative. You also have the tracking. You can track the module to log hours and view reports to track project performance. And that's it. Freedcamp is actually pretty simple and powerful tool to manage projects, tasks, and teamwork.